Hello, this is my comparison of two pieces of art by artist Frida Kahlo. The two paintings that I have are, on the left we have the two Fridas, which was made by Frida Kahlo in 1939, and it is oil on canvas. Painting on the right is The Wounded Deer, which was made in 1946 and is oil on masonite. The two Fridas has two subjects in it, and they are both taking up a very large part of the painting. They take up about 60 to 70% of the painting. They're very large, while the Wounded Deer only has one subject, that being the deer with Frida's face on it, and it does not take up nearly as much space as the two Fridas do. The light in this picture, in the Wounded Deer, it is in the front and to the right, as the trees are illuminated on the right side, but shadows on the left, and the path in front of her and the tree branch on the ground is illuminated, but as you go farther back in the path, you lose that light. The light in the two Fridas seems to be coming from the left. As you can see, the Frida on the left in the white dress has the right side of her face lit up, while the Frida on the left seems to be covered in darkness, as her face is not as bright as the one on the left. Now these paintings are both self-portraits by Frida, and they are expressing two different sort of feelings. The painting on the left, Frida made this after her divorce with her husband, Diego Rivera, and she talks about how she felt like she was being split in half. A version of herself with Diego Rivera and a version of herself without. The Wounded Deer, however, is a self-portrait where she talks about how she feels maybe like her body has betrayed her. She's a wounded deer. She walks, lives, breathes, but she's injured and hurt. The background of these paintings are different as well. The two Fridas, the sky behind her is dark and ominous, while the sky behind the deer is brighter and lighter. There's also a pattern in each of these photos. There is the pattern of clouds behind the two Fridas and a pattern of trees behind the Wounded Deer, and the two Fridas are mirrored, and there is no mirroring in the Wounded Deer photo.